In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete second floor. That's where we are actually staying. I'm also going to let you know about the design, how it has been done. We'll be explaining the cost of interior design. I'm also going to show you the complete plan as well so that you get a clear idea. So make sure you're going to watch till the end. So right at the second floor, we have the safety gate so that nobody can actually come beyond this, because we are going to stay in second floor, and also we are using the top floor as well. So this has been done for safety. Since we also have a kid, we didn't want the kid also to go down. So let me just show you this. So this is how it has been designed. Now let me actually take you inside. So you can see that it's completely the steel railing that is there with 12 mm glass, 12 mm toughened glass, and we have a slight etching design that is there so that it actually gives a good look as well. So here you can see the complete granite flooring. So this granite costed roughly around, I think, 120 to 130 rupees per square feet. And we have used the same granite for the cladding as well. So you could see this is how it has been done. You could also see the window glass designs. These are completely teak wood windows. And you can see the glass which also has a slight etching design in that, so that during the day nobody can see what's exactly happening in the house. So that's how it has been done. And this is the main door. Let me show you the complete design of it. So this costed somewhere around close to 40,000 rupees for us. And this we got it done from Nikki Doors. So they were able to really do as per our requirement. And this is actually a heavy door where we customized and we got this design. Let me show you the design in detail so that you can just see that. So you could see this is how it looks. So, and this is the handle. So it's a pretty simple design, but still it gives a great elegant look. Now before actually entering into the home, I want to show you one more thing. Like see, this is something that we have done like a shoe rack as well as a UPS point. Okay, so you could see that we have our battery and UPS setup here so that it's not going to take space inside the home. And other side we just kept the shoes and chappals and other things. So this is how this outside section is. Now let me just take you inside. So you could see that this is how the view looks from the hall. You could get the complete view of the kitchen. And if I can show you on the other side. So that's our master bedroom. And that's our balcony. So let me just quickly take you behind the door. So this is how the design of the door is at the back. Again, very simple. And we have put two Europa locks, one at the top and one at the slightly at the bottom side, so that it's extra safe. And one thing that we have done is just behind the door, we have made that as the crockery unit, and also we have put that keychain section there. And this one we have made it as a shoe rack. So let me just quickly open that and show for you. So you could see that in the way we have been able to use the space maximum, so that none of the things are just lying outside. Everything is pretty well planned. Now you could also consider something like that, so that you can organize things well. And we have two air vents there, so that you don't get the smell of the shoes inside. So that's right behind the door. And if I can just open the door and show it to you, you could see that it's just going to come and get fixed to this magnetic stopper. Also, let me also show you the thickness of this door. So you could see this is how it is. That means it's pretty strong as well. Now coming to flooring, we have used 2x4 tiles. So that it actually gives a look of marble flooring. So that's the kind of look it gives, and also it gives a pretty elegant look as well when you're using 2x4. So you could see that these are all 2x4 tiles, and this tile costed anywhere I think around 55 to 65 rupees range per square feet. So that's our TV unit. So we have done stone cladding at the back. If I'm not wrong, I think that costed roughly around 160 to 180 rupees per square feet. Okay, so this is how it is, and at the bottom we have given roughly around 8 inches of gap. So that's the space what you can see right below that, and the complete wiring behind the TV, it actually comes here and it enters at this place, so that none of the wires are just going to be seen from outside. And so here is something that we have done, like a small design kind of thing where you can actually keep a few things so that you actually get a great look for the house. And whatever lights that you are seeing in this, so these are 1 watt lights. These are 1 watt lights, and whatever you are seeing right over there, the complete thing that is running, that's 3 watts. Let me just turn on the other lights as well and show you. Okay, so you can see just behind the complete TV unit also we have the rope lights which are running. Let me just quickly show you that. So you could see how exactly the look is coming from a slightly distant place. So you could see this is how it's going to look when we turn on the complete lights. And let me also show you the false ceiling. So this is how the false ceiling looks. We went for a pretty simple and simple design, so not too complicated. So there is not much too many things there. You could see like we have a small design that's there here, and in the same way we have it on the opposite side as well. And all these lights, whatever you are seeing, these are 9 watt lights, 9 watt fitting lights, and there are 2 fans. We are yet to put a chandelier in there, so that's still yet to be done. Now let me just show you just beside the door. So this is how exactly it's looking, and we have used light color curtains so that it also gives a pleasant look. And also one thing is you actually get a brighter light in the room, so that's something like that. And so this is the design of the curtain rods. So these are all antique looking curtain rod end designs that are there. So that's the TV unit, and let me show you how exactly this TV unit has also been done. So you can see from this side. So this complete section, whatever you are seeing right now, this complete section is around 8 feet. So that's 8 feet, and the TV unit is 6 feet by 4 feet. So that's the dimension of it. Now one other thing is like see, we didn't wanted something like a closed space or something. We wanted like a open kitchen where you also get a lot of lighting and ventilation. So that's where we came up with this kind of design where like you can see like it's just like a pillars that is going. Okay, and this has been made using plywood and lamination. So it's completely laminated section, this box design, whatever you're seeing. So this is how it has been done so that you actually get a great look. Let me just show you from slightly away. So now you can see how exactly this is looking. So it gives a pretty, you feel like the entire space, whatever you see here, as a big hall. In that way, it's a lot more open space. So this entire section from this corner till there, that's 28 foot length. So that's 28, and like this it's around 12.5 to 13 feet. So it's almost like 13 by 28 foot open area kind of thing, which actually gives a feeling of a pretty big hall. That's how it actually gives the look. Now let me just show you how exactly we have arranged few things here. So we have kept this areca plant, which is meant to purify the air. And if I can just show you just behind the door and behind this shoe rack, you could see that the upper section we have used as a crockery unit. So you could see this is a complete crockery unit which is made of the glass door. So this is how our crockery unit is looking. So that's again a window for ventilation, and we have our tripod which we use for making the videos. And this is our puja room. And again, let me show you the design of the puja room as well. Sorry, the door design. So this is how the design is. Now we made this section like with a bell, and this is actually a glass section, so that like even when the doors is closed, you can still see the god from outside. So this is the Veena handle that is there. Again, antique piece. And you see here elephant which is there on the lotus. So that's a similar kind of design which is there on the other side as well. So this puja room is around 3 by 3.5 feet, so that like one person can sit comfortably. And we have two sections there to keep all the puja related things and like things like that, with a black granite top. And the complete backside is made with the tiles. So this is again white tiles, which actually gives the look of again marble. We have one focus light here and another normal light at the top. So this is how exactly the puja room is. Again, completely as per Vastu. So if you see from here, you can see the dining table and kitchen. So this dining table, again we got this customized from Looking Good Furnitures, which this costed roughly around, I think close to 40,000 or something like that. So which is for 6 seaters, pretty comfortable as well. And this is the snake plant, which also gives a good look, and also it has benefits of keeping at home also. So you can see for the windows we have used black, we have used the rods with painted black. There was a lot of confusion what color to go with, whether to go with white or black, but somehow it looks like black was giving a very great look. And let me also show you the hooks that we have used. See, one important thing that we need to remember if you are using wooden windows, okay, so you see these hooks, these are much advised for the windows. In some places you might have also seen the tower bolts, right, where they put it at the top, correct? You see the tower bolt which will be put at the top, but the only thing is these windows tend to bend, or they slightly change in the shape due to weather. So in that case, if you are having tower bolt, you will not be able to actually lock the window properly. So it's better that you always go for hooks. That's something that I realized where like initially we had put the tower bolt, and since it was not working properly, we had to change with this as well. So make sure you follow or consider that while you are constructing your home. So again, all the things that we are using is antique looking one, because these are completely polished windows. And the wood we have used here is called as Sudan teak, which is not so expensive as the normal Burma border teak what you get. So certainly you can inquire about Sudan teak, and they also come with pretty good grains as well. So make sure you pick up the good wood, and also make sure it is seasoned, so that you don't get that proper, so that you don't get the bend and other things. Let me actually show you again the dining table, how exactly it looks. So this is how the dining table is looking. Now let's move to the kitchen section. Now before moving to the kitchen section, let me tell you how exactly we have been able to utilize the space as well. So you could see that from the hall it looks like a design, but here we have also made like a section where like we can keep things inside this as well. And this place is also comfortable just to sit as well. So it actually serves as two purpose. So this is how the kitchen has been done. It's completely a modular kitchen. So let me show you by opening one of the section. So you could see that we have used Hitachi. So they operate pretty smoothly. This is called as a Gola profile, and it also gives a pretty elegant look. So you could see that. Now one thing that we had done is like when we actually chose this color, and when we started fixing this, somewhere we started sealing. So after fixing this, somewhere we felt that okay, both the flooring color and that color was exactly same, and it was not giving a great look. So that's where we came up with a small planning where we put a complete black granite border that is running at the bottom. Now this gave like a separation, because of which you could see that it is actually giving a more elegant look right now. Right, so that's how this has been done. And one more thing what I want to show you is just below the sink. So you could see that we have taken the pipe, we have bent it, and we have taken it inside. So, and if we see that, just below that is where actually the pipe is entering. So usually that portion is something that gets dirty or things like that. So that's where we have put a kind of a slab or section or whatever you want to call, because of which it really looks clean, and you can keep things on top of this as well. So this is something that is really useful, where we tend to keep few things as well here. And again, air vents, so that if at all there is any smell that is going to come out, it's going to come out from there. And in the kitchen we didn't wanted a very big sink, so we have used a pretty small sink here. So let me just show you that. This is just around, I think approximately around 12 by 18 or something like that, or I think 15 by 18. So that's the size of that sink. And let me show you a few more things. So this is the upper section, and we have our water filter which is right inside this. So you could see that it's completely closed, so nobody knows where exactly it is. But the beauty is you can actually take water just by putting a glass at the bottom, so you'll be able to get that. So that's how it has been designed, so that it still gives a great look. And let me just open one of the section and show you how exactly it has been done. So this is how the entire sections are designed here till here. And whatever you are seeing, those are 4-inch handles. So we have installed Elica. So this also really performs really well. I don't remember the exact price. I think it would be somewhere around 12 or something like that. So whatever things that we have used, I am going to give the link of that in the description, so that you can certainly check that out. And this also looks really great. So let me just show you from slightly away. So you could see that it also gives a great look. And let me just turn that on and show you how exactly it's going to look as well. So you can see that right at the bottom they have 2 lights as well, so that the focus is going to be on the kitchen stove. So that's how this is. This is the L-shape kitchen what we have, so which has a pretty good space to keep things and things like that. Now let me just show you the door. So again, this is something that we got from Nikki door, where we customized, and this could be polished as well, so that it actually gives the same look as the other doors. But on the other side we have laminated it, so that even if water falls from outside, because this goes to the utility section, right? So we didn't want the door to get spoiled, so this section is laminated from the outside and polished from inside. So again, the antique looking tower bolts. Let me just show you the other part. So you could see here, just inside the kitchen itself, we have a storage unit as well here. Okay, so how we have designed it is like this is a storage unit here, and this section acts as a storage on the in the bedroom. Okay, so that's how we have planned it. So let me just take you to the other section and show you that. And we have used a L-shape sofa. So this is how it looks. Now first let me take you to our balcony. So again, this is if you can see this door, this design matches with the main door design. So that's how it has been designed. And for extra safety, we have put steel rods there. So these are 10 mm steel rods. Initially we had just put these things, but somewhere it was not so strong. So that's where we have put additional 2 rods which are running till the top, which gives extra support and also strength. And we have a glass here. So this is around 5 mm glass that has been put. So let me just quickly open this. And let me know what you like about this building, whatever I'm showing right now, our house. And what is that you are looking from this channel. So whatever you are expecting, just put it in the comment section so that I can create videos on them as well. Now this entire balcony section, what we have used the tiles, but this is a wood pattern tile, right? So this is like a 2x4 tiles, which exactly gives the feeling of a wood. So you could see that this is how it looks. And we have a study table that has been made here. So this could be used as study table or a coffee table, whatever as required at that point in time. And the beauty is this is foldable. It can be easily folded so that you get the complete space. Now let me just quickly show you that. So you could see that it just sticks like a photo frame to the wall. Now if you want to see how exactly that has been done, then just click on the info link at the top. You'll be able to see later, and I'm also going to give that in the end screen. So this is something that is pretty easy to do. I have given all the things that are required so that if you want to set up, you can do it by yourself as well. And I'm happy that many of them have seen this and they have actually set this up for work table within their home. So this entire section, so this is around almost around 9.5 to 10 feet in length and around 4.5 feet in width. So let me show you the view from here. So this is how it looks. You get to see the complete outside view once you come to this balcony. So now let me take you to the master bedroom. So you could see that this is how the door looks. Let me show you slowly so that you can see the design of it. Show you how exactly the master bedroom is looking. So this complete section has been designed for a king size bed. You could see that we have 2 sections at the bottom to keep all the pillows and other things. So that's where we are storing them. And this is a 8-inch orthopedic bed. So we have taken a Sleepy Cat brand, which is really good. And again, the link of that is in the description, so certainly you can check that. Let me just quickly show you how exactly it looks on the other side. So we have a small section there to keep things, and also we have just put a plant there so that it also gives a great look. So this is how it's looking, and again painting over there so that it gives a pretty good look for the entire bedroom. And we have pretty spacious storage here. So you could see that you have multiple sections there where you have enough space to keep all the dress and other things. So this is how it has been designed. Let me again show you by just going close to things. So you can see here, like, we have 2 sections to just keep show items. So these are from Assam. So here we have used 12-inch handles. So let me show you the design of this. So this is how this design are looking. And let me just open and show you how exactly this section is looking. So most of the sections are something similar. So you could see like this is how it has been done. Let me just open. And wherever possible, we have used these kind of box sections so that like things are just inside and it doesn't look odd when you open. And these are all soft close hinges, so you could see like they are closing pretty softly, and softly you don't hear any sound. Let me actually show you the hinges so that you could see that. So this is how the hinges are. So whenever you're constructing, you can just ask them to fix this soft closing hinges. So these are kind of hydraulic kind of hinges. It's half flex. And this is the section where it's for getting ready. You could see that there is one mirror over there, and also on the other side also there is a mirror, and there are sections there to keep all the makeup things and things like that. And even behind the mirror also there is a section where things can be kept. So this is how it looks. Now let me actually show you how exactly the master bedroom bathroom is going to look. So we have just put black granite here so that it actually looks slightly different and gives a good look as well. So these are completely WPC doors. Now the beauty with this is these doors do not get spoiled for with water or any other things like that. So it's very much advised that you go for WPC doors. And again, this is something that we got from Nikki Doors itself. A very simple design, but still looks great. So let me show you how exactly the bathroom looks. So this is how exactly the bathroom is looking. So all the fittings, whatever we have used in a bathroom are Parry-ware. So that's a wall mount commode. We have used a V-guard water heater, a oval shaped mirror here. So this is both hot and cold water, and again a storage unit just below this. So you could see how exactly this looks. And we have a towel hanger just next to the door itself so that it does not get wet. So we are yet to install the glass separation here. So that's something that we are planning to do that. So that's where you could see that. See, the flooring is, this is 1x1 tiles. And on the other side, you could see that it's actually 4x8 inch wood pattern tiles. So this is how it's looking. Now let me take you to the other bedroom. So before going to the bedroom, let me just show you a common bathroom that we have. So this is how the bathroom looks. So this is roughly around 8.5 by 4.5 bathroom. So see, usually if you are fixing some things in the bathroom, it's advised that you go for these kind of things. This is just stick to the wall, so you really don't have to drill a hole and fix this. So that's the beauty of this, and these are available in Amazon for a very decent price, and the quality of this is also really good. So I am giving the link of that also in the description for you. And here you could see that these are 1x2 tiles. So you could see like they come with a slightly design where it's actually coming out, and it also gives a great look as well to the bathroom. And the complete wall design has been again made with 2x4 tiles. So these are 2x4 tiles, a glossy finish. And this is completely paper joint, and at the bottom we have used 4 mm grout, sorry, 4 mm spacer. And in bathroom it's really necessary that you are going to use the spacers so that you don't get any water leak or something in the future. Now let me just take you to the bedroom. So this is another bedroom. This bedroom is roughly around 10 by 10. So this is how the bedroom looks. And in all the rooms we have a pretty decent lighting because we have used bigger windows. So you could see that this is how the windows are looking here. And again, so as I said earlier, just behind this is the storage unit of kitchen. And the next portion, whatever you are seeing, we have used it as the drawers here, wardrobes here. So that's how we are able to plan it well, so that like it's good space utilization. And this is something that we have designed for as a study table. Let me just quickly show you this. So it's kind of, sorry, so it's a hydraulic one. The beauty with this is once you slightly gently push it up, it's going to automatically close. So that's the study table. So that's how this complete floor looks. Now let me just quickly show you the utility also. 12 feet by 3.5 feet. So we have used this kind of tiles. So this is a kind of a matte finish. Let me just show you how exactly it's looking. And we just to make sure that okay, rainwater is not going to come, we actually put the sheet also here. So this is how it's looking. And let me show you on the other side. So you could see like we have planned in such a way that washing machine is going to just sit over there, where we have made it like a small step which is around 4-inch height, and this washing machine is going to perfectly fit inside this space. And that's the water connection for the washing machine. And just above the washing machine also we have a section to keep the things, and next to that also we have a very long section. So you could see that this is almost around 6 feet, around 6 feet height, 6.5 to 6 to 6.5 feet height. Now the beauty with this is we can actually organize things very well in this. So you could see that like we have so this is something that we got from Amazon, and again I have given the link of this in the description so that you can get this. So this is really useful for you to keep all this things like broom or mop or whatever you are going to use, and it can be very well organized. And I think this is something that is really necessary. And the depth of this is roughly around 1.5 feet. So this is how it looks. So let me just quickly show you how exactly we have organized. So this is how the complete section looks. Now you could see that even this complete bucket is going to sit inside. So in that way it really looks neat. So we have actually sections that are made here to keep soap and other things as well. Now again, these are two another sections to keep whatever things that are going to be used. Maybe you want to keep soap powder, whatever it is, something like that. Now one more thing that I want to show you is the ceiling cloth hanger. This is something that is really helpful. And the beauty with this is this actually goes almost like around 8.5 feet above. So in that way the cloths will be much higher and we can still walk down. So this is something really good for drying the clothes when we have very limited space in the utility. So this is how it looks. It comes with 6 rods, so good enough for drying a decent amount of clothes, I would say. So you could see like that is actually run by a pulley. Let me show you on the other side. So on the other side it's like this, where using this rope we can either pull it up or down. So this is how exactly it works. So again, link of this also in the description. So this is the plan of our second floor. Many of you had been asking about this. Only there is a small little change that we did while constructing as well. And the interior work, including material and everything, it costed roughly around 14 lakhs for us. Thanks for watching. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, then please do subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you always get the updates from this channel, so that you don't miss any videos, because there are still a lot more videos that are going to come. And if you also want to build a great YouTube channel and earn money from that, certainly you can also do it. So just click on the link below in the description to either register for my free YouTube masterclass, or also get access to my free YouTube influencer digital course, which is worth 1,000 rupees for absolutely free. And that's only for my subscribers. So just click on the link below in the description to get access for those. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.